Hi everyone, welcome back, M.A.J. Customs fam. If you are new here, I am Amanda. If not, welcome back. So today I am working on some of my 7-year-old's party faves. I don't know how you guys say it, but just party faves. Okay, so I picked a lot of stuff up from Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, so I will be showing you guys in this video what I put together and where I'm placing like all the images and stuff like that. So the first one I want to show you guys, this is Dollar Tree. They were hard for me to find. I went to a few different Dollar Trees, and yeah, I finally got my hands on those clear plastic plates. They do have some new ones, but they have like this little white, I don't know, it's like a white circle dot or something in the middle of them. I really just didn't care for them. So yeah, you guys, let's get into this video so I can show you guys everything I put together, and I will be also giving you guys the sizes of everything that I made, okay? So these are the plastic plates that I was telling you guys about. Let me lift my camera up some. Okay, these are the plates. They normally have like some a little bit bigger, you know, for like food. This is like actually just for probably some cake or a cupcake or whatever, finger food, but they didn't have the bigger ones. They only had these, and I found they had a stack of them, so I grabbed them all because I don't know if they're gonna get rid of these for good or what. Okay, I don't even know why I'm whispering. Kids are in the next room, so I'm trying not to be so loud, so I'm sorry. But these plates are the ones that I got. These are, on the back it says 7 inches by 7 inches. Okay, and for these plates, I did this design right here. So all I did was, this is a background right here I got off of Pinterest, turtle shell, and the inside is, I did the circle 5 by 5, okay? And then of course I added the name, happy birthday Amarion. I put the number 7 on there, and I individually placed every Ninja Turtle on there together. I did this in Cricut. I did most of this in Cricut, if not all. I go back and forth between Silhouette Studios and Cricut. So I just flattened this all together, and again my circle is 5.5 inches. And then all I do is, because I don't have my double-sided tape, my husband used it all, I had this permanent crafting tape on hand. But the only thing with this, if you're not careful with how you use it, it will, if you place it on the paper, let me show you what it looks like. So I just cut another one out right here. This was just something extra because I should have put some more stuff over here, but I didn't want to waste like the whole page, so I just add stuff. So this is what it looks like, and this is photo glossy paper. This is the pen gear from Walmart. Instead of putting this on the actual image, I just like to place it on the back of the plate. Hey buddy.
What's up, buddy?
Nothing, buddy. So I like to just place it on the back and put my tape, or my tape where I want it, and then I just lightly press the image onto it that way. What's up, Mom? Hold on, you guys.
How you doing?
Okay, so here I go. Let me move this to the side so you guys can see it. So here goes my design, and here's my plate. Okay, so I'm turning my plate over and carefully just, or I can just leave it in my hand. Press it. Hold on, let me make sure there's some tape there. This thing is not easy. It's giving me a hard time. Hold on, guys. Press it and just, it wasn't giving me this hard of a time last night when I was putting everything together. Okay, it's taped there and it's taped there. And if we can just get it, hold on. I'm making sure I'm going the right way. But you get the gist of what I'm trying to say. Just get you some tape on there. So it's taped there, there, a little bit there and there. And then just center your design onto your plate and press down. I'm a little off right here, but it's okay. But you guys get what I'm trying to say. Okay, so that's what it would look like. I normally, like I said, I normally use the double-sided tape, so that doesn't harm the image at all, but I didn't have any. All right, you guys, on to the next one. So for my next party fave, I picked up these bags right here. Let me grab them. They come in a pack like this, okay, from Dollar Tree. All right, so they look like this. And I picked this up from Family Dollar. This was $6, but you guys can stuff them with whatever you like. A regular popcorn, different variety of candies. This is what I did with them, okay? So for the, this is gloss, well, this is sticker paper, okay, you guys? So it just sticks onto the bag. And let me get, I did write everything down so I can give you guys the sizes of everything. So give me 1 second and I will be right back. Hey everyone, so for the actual sticker design for these right here to go on your clear bags, you can actually make these as tall or as wide as you guys like. But what I have is 2.2 in width and 3.6 in height, okay? Real simple. All I did was upload the design in Cricut, let it print out on the sticker paper, and then I put it in Cricut. If you don't have an actual machine though, you can actually just cut around as much as you can with regular scissors. And the same as the plates. If you don't have a cut machine, you can just cut around with your scissors. Okay, so that's the second item I made. Okay, moving on to the next. All right, you guys, so my next item that I got from Dollar Tree were the clear cups that look like this. Okay, and so this is what they look like right here. All right, and as you can see, I put one. Now you can put two stickers on here, you know, to make it, I mean, if you want. So far I've only done one, and these are the size, okay, of my stickers for my cups. You can do one, that way the kids can, you know, not have an issue drinking, or you can do two and they'll still have room to drink out either side. So again, I uploaded my design in Cricut and I just made sure I grouped everything, flattened. Oh, it's blurry. Okay. For the clear cups, my design is 2.0 in width, okay, 2.0 this way, and 2.3 in height, okay? But again, you guys can measure however big or small you want your stickers, okay? So that is my third item that I created that I really like for this party fave. And okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, you guys, so the next party fave I picked up from Dollar Tree are these water bottles. Now they do have flavored ones. I just grabbed the regular ones because I really didn't know how the kids would take to the ones that are flavored. So I just grabbed these, okay, look like that. And I created these labels, okay, created these labels. Now if you guys been following us for quite some time, I even on TikTok, if you guys been following us on TikTok, Myra Amanda Jackson, I have created water bottle labels on there, and I gave the size and height, I think last year when I first started making them. No, started making them 2 years ago. I just posted them. Okay, so anywho, for the water bottles, 1.25 in height and 8.25 in width, okay? And again, for the background, the turtle shell, it was just a square, so I got it off of Pinterest, if I didn't mention that already, and then I just uploaded it and then sized it how I wanted to, and then search for a barcode. You can find a barcode, I believe, also on Pinterest, and then I just added in this. I typed this in myself. I did a square on the background and then added all the words on there and the name. Okay, and again, individual. No, actually, that one may have came already together, that Ninja Turtle one, and I found those on Pinterest as well. Okay, you guys, so This is how those water bottles came out. Okay, real cute. You can size the wording however big, small you would like. Okay, and yeah, so that was purple. We got the blue. You guys can decorate these how you like, but so far we are on a budget, so yeah. For the pin gear, I think I paid like maybe $8. Maybe $8 from Walmart. Okay, but you guys can research and find whatever best fits for you as far as pricing. And for the that was for the photo paper. For the sticker paper is something I've been using. If you guys watch prior videos, it's the koala sticker paper. I'll put a picture of what it is up here, okay, somewhere up in this video. All right, you guys, let's move on to the next one. Okay, you guys, so the next party fave are these Hawaiian Punches. They come, I think, in a pack of 8, and they do carry them at Dollar Tree for like $3, or you can get them from Family Dollars for like 2 for $5. If you're having trouble doing the Capri Suns, the ones that everybody is like, the label is kind of hard because you got to kind of like round it on the Capri Suns. Yeah, I picked these one up because I thought these would be so simple, and they are. So this is what I did with them. Okay, again, I just added his photo, added the Ninja Turtles individual, and I got the Hawaii, I don't think it's focusing, you guys, but I got a Hawaiian Punch logo off of Pinterest. And if you guys want to add that little guy right there on the surfboard, he's on Pinterest as well. But to me, this was so simple, so quick, so easy, and I was able to readjust. I would not go firm when first applying your sticker label. I would just lightly try to make sure you position it right, and then once you get it right, then you can press down on it. So for the label size for these ones, you guys, is 4.7 in height and 1.8 in width. Okay, all right, and our last but not least, I will be back and show you the final product that I made for my son's birthday party. Okay, everyone, so here we are. Let me move up. Okay, the toppers. Is that not cute? Why is my camera not wanting to focus? All right. So this is one of the cupcake toppers, and I did holographic. So this is going to be photo glossy paper, and then my offset is going to be the holographic paper. Okay, see, there we go. Okay, and again, you can cut these out by hand if you like. The only thing I'm not sure is how you would actually do the offset without the cutting machine. But if you want to just use the photo glossy paper and just glue it to the stick, that's fine too. I've seen a lot of cupcake toppers with just the front and nothing in the back. Okay, and so for these, you guys, I picked this up from Michael's. I think this was about $8.99. It came with a variety of colors. I did find these at Hobby Lobby. I think these were $10. Don't quote me on that. It's something like that. Yeah, I think they were on sale though. Yep, and it's got the variety of colors here. But I ended up using these little ones for the offset, because if you put it this way on your cutting mat, you can actually get 2 offsets on one. So I went this route. Okay, all right, you guys, so that is everything that I have put together for my son's birthday. I bought the tablecloth and some table toppers. I got them from Party City, you guys, but look at this. Hold on. So these are the table toppers, but you guys, this is the newest generation of Ninja Turtles. Okay, and my son wanted to me, I'm just gonna say, like, the older version of Ninja Turtles. He picked these ones out, but I couldn't find anything to actually, you know, with these Ninja Turtle characters. So I grabbed these because that's all they had, the table toppers, and then it's a tablecloth that matches it. So, but he's okay with it. He's fine. He's happy. So we are going to go ahead and set this all up and put his party stuff all together now that I'm done making this video. I just wanted to give you guys an idea of, you don't necessarily have to go expensive if you can't afford to, or even if you just feel, hey, I can make it myself, I don't have to spend that much money. I couldn't find no Ninja Turtle stuff really anywhere online, and if I did, it was like really expensive. So that's why I decided, like always, if you can make it yourself, why not? Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope this was helpful for you guys, so you guys can create your own. I know a lot of people wonder, like, what is the size for the water bottles, what is the size for the fruit punch boxes and stuff like that. So I will also make sure every time I mention a size of something, I'm gonna put it up in the video for you guys. Okay, all right, you guys, so that's it for this video. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. Stay blessed. Bye.